In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and view your Lovable AI project history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recent work and how to keep important projects easy to access. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Lovable. From the results, click the official Lovable website. This takes you to the platform where your AI projects live. Once you're on Lovable, navigate to the dashboard and choose All Projects. This is your central hub. Here, you can see your recent projects at a glance, making it simple to revisit what you've been working on. Think of it as your activity history, perfect for picking up where you left off or reviewing previous iterations. To make certain projects stand out for quick access, use the star feature. Next to each project, you'll see a small star icon. Click that star to mark the project as a favorite. Starred items are ideal for anything you open frequently, ongoing tasks, or work you don't want to lose in a long list. You can unstar them anytime once you're done. If you prefer a more structured system, you can also organize projects into folders. Locate the project you want to file, then look for the three dots next to it. That's the More Options menu. Click those three dots and choose Move to Folder. A selection panel will appear. If you already have folders set up, pick the folder that matches your workflow, maybe by client, feature, or status, whatever makes the most sense for you. After you select the folder, click Save Changes to confirm the move. You'll get a cleaner, more organized view immediately, and your projects will be easier to manage as your list grows. A quick tip on strategy: use stars for short-term priority and speed, and use folders for long-term organization and clarity. This combination keeps your All Projects page both tidy and efficient, so you can find what you need without scrolling. That's all you need to save and view your Lovable AI project history. Open Lovable from a quick Google search. Go to All Projects to see your recent work. Star the items you want at your fingertips, and use Move to folder to group related projects. Click Save Changes to lock it in. With these simple actions, you'll stay organized and focused, and your most important work will always be right where you expect it.